Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting peripherals to their desktops? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check front panel. First, check the front panel for two USB 3.0 ports. Use these for high-speed devices like external drives. Step 2. Find audio jack. Below the USB ports, there is an audio jack for headphones or microphones. Step 3. Locate back ports. On the back, find 4 more USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports for added device connectivity. Step 4. Connect Ethernet. Plug an Ethernet cable into the back RJ45 connector for wired internet access. Step 5. Add monitors. Use the HDMI and DisplayPort connections on the back panel for monitors. With these steps, you should now effortlessly connect all your peripherals to your Dell OptiPlex 7040. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.